Hey everyone, Natalie here with monday.com. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to manage your daily stand-ups in Monday Dev. So here we have our active sprint. We can see all of the tasks, who's assigned to them, what the sprint timeline is, and of course, we'll be going in here and steadily changing the status of these items as we go. But we want to have kind of a more focused view to really facilitate a productive daily stand up. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to our daily stand up dashboard view here. In this view, we're able to see the overall progress of the current sprint. So we can see that 33.3% of the tasks are done. We can also see if anything is waiting for review. So this is something that you can drill down into during your daily stand-ups and making sure that's slated to be reviewed quickly. We also have sort of a countdown to see the number of days remaining in the sprint. So in this case, we're about halfway through the sprint, a little over. We have 6 days left, and we're only a third of the way done. So that should prompt some discussion about the velocity and what exact roadblocks we're facing. We can also see all of the remaining tasks in the sprint. This widget is set to filter out anything that is marked as done. So it's just not going to be on your radar during this daily stand up because we really need to focus on the things that still need to get done. We can also just pull in the estimated story points to have a quick reference to the amount of effort that it will take and who the owner of those tasks are. We can see the planned story points for the sprint and how many story points have been completed. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we can see estimated versus actual. So as folks are going through and marking their actual effort, their actual story points, I can just kind of plug that in here. Let's say we have 5 and 2. If I go back to my daily stand up view, we'll be able to see those kind of right next to each other based on person. So I know Natalie is assigned 10 story points, only has completed 2. We have 6 days left in the sprint. So that again could prompt some discussion. We also just have a quick reference to the focus areas of the sprint and the tasks by type. Also, just a count of the tasks by owner, and the stack here is by status. So I can see I've completed one of my tasks and one of them is waiting for review. Some other ways that you could add to this daily stand up view is maybe having a table widget like this that's only filtered to show items that are marked as stuck or some kind of indication that you're facing a roadblock. So you can quickly call those out and triage them during the daily stand up. Overall, this is just an example of different widgets you can use to facilitate your daily stand-ups. It's really customizable depending on how exactly you run those ceremonies and what exact information you need at your fingertips. This is just what I find helpful, but I hope that this kind of gives you a good jumping off point and that you find it helpful as well. Thanks.